Resto-Rob. Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob. Welcome to the channel. So today I just got two little tool haul videos for you. So sit back, relax, and take a quick look at some of these cool items that I have found. So to start off with this small little tool haul, this one cost me $20 and there's 11 tools here. So to start off with, we got this Sparta CS57 breaker bar. It measures about 14 inches. With the word Sparta. So it'll definitely need to be derusted. But I found the Sparta box. So I was thinking, oh yeah, that'll fit. My ass it will. So, but I am gonna look for Sparta tools to fill this box, and maybe I'll find a Sparta that'll fit that. So next up is this Mustang ratchet. Sorry, 1/2-inch drive Mustang. Coming up, we've got this Dunlop 11/16, forged in the USA. I know a Dunlop person. Got this really nice V-Series 9/16 7/8 box end, double box. So this will go into my Craftsman collection. I really like the double box tools. Got two Kmart double open end, 1/2-inch by 9/16 and 19/32 by 11/16. I know somebody that collects the Kmart tools, so that'll be going out to them. Next up, I just like double box end wrenches. I don't know why, and this is an Eclipse 3/8 7/16. I might even have another one. I lied, I don't. But probably got one someplace. Next up is this old Crown Craftsman. It's 4110, the offset screwdriver looking thing, and this thing's beefy. So that I might have to hang on to this one just because it's so cool. Found me a Thorson 1/2-inch that looks like the old Snap-on. So I'll clean that up and put it with my... I got a small little box of Thorson that I'm going to build a little set, and then I'm done. I don't know why, but this Chrome Vanadium Germany 7/16 came with me, so we'll clean that up, see what it looks like. And then finally, we've got this Plum. It's 1.125" by 1.16", with the old Plum logo on it. So Plum. So that's kind of cool. I've got a few of these. So that's just a quick little tool haul for today. First thing, we've got this wrench. It says USA. So, or made in the USA, but I don't see any other markings. So I'm going to have to clean this one up. It's got a bend to it, so we're going to have to work on flattening that down. Once we figure out what tool it is. Next, this is a kind of a rusty Industro USA. What size is it? 1/2 inch, maybe. Definitely needs to be cleaned up. Velcheck. It's a 9/16 by 1/2 inch, tappet style. Little Velcheck. These two are Kmart. 5/16 and 3/8. Here we have a Stobble. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. STAHLWILLE, 10 millimeter by 8 millimeter. This is a pair of 430 channel lock, and it's pretty loose. You can see it's got the patents right there. Yeah, so this be a good cleanup. Next up, one of the star finds is this Bonnie-Con 5/8 by 3/4 6-point. So that's kind of cool. And then last but not least, we've got this Craftsman Vanadium. Look at these handles. This definitely will clean up really nice. It's got a little Circle C. Circle C in the handle. So that'll clean up really nice. So this was my quick $10 tool haul. Well, folks, hopefully you found those tools interesting. I did. That some of those Craftsmen are pretty cool. So as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.